Julie Cube. I'm here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia, coming to you with a pour on this lovely 60 by 30 gallery wrapped. I think when they call it gallery wrapped, it's a nice thick edge on it. The slimmer line ones are not called gallery wrapped. I think it's the deep edge that is considered gallery wrap. I think if I'm wrong, then please correct me. But I'm going to hopefully do a giveaway on this one. Now this is some probably would be weird and wonderful colours that I'm really hoping work. I've mixed my own dusty pink, and I'll explain as I go along. So I'm going to do a kind of sort of like an, I think somebody called them an ombré, where you do the different colours going up or down the canvas, whatever you choose to do. So I'm gonna do it's the same, another dusty pink, but I just added white. So I'll do those colours, and I think I will keep it with the darker colour again up here. I'm not sure whether to keep the paler pink. I guess that will probably work nicely. Now you can either blow those colours out over your canvas, or as I like to do is the sponge, because I can then, you know, if you choose to, do the sides with your sponge. It's just a sponge brush. They're on my link below in the description box in my Amazon store if you can't find them yourself. I think everything is more or less there, and also the link to my paints and my Keep It Simple pouring medium is there for global colours. So it's all there if you're only just starting or whether you're a seasoned pourer. Rightio. Probably put way too much paint on that, but I will use I've got some gooby bits. I have been a little bit sick with a recurring glandular fever that I had years ago. Apparently when you have glandular fever you can get reoccurring bouts of it, so that's what I've been pretty crook with. But I'm getting there now. I'm very eager to get back in my art room painting, of course. It's the best therapy. I'm not too worried about that being a little bit on the thick side, because hopefully I can blow it over the edges. So now I want to just gently blend in this. It doesn't have to be perfect because I'm going to be blowing some paint around, plus some other things to get some nice movement into it. So there you go. You could either blow it now, which I'll try to do, I guess. So I think the look is called the ombre, you know that look. If I can't see right over there, that's why I'll keep my sponge brushes ready to do it. It looks a bit yucky, hey? So I'm really hoping this comes out with the, oh my goodness. Now you'll think, what on earth is she doing? So I'm gonna put, this is, it's called Tahiti, and it's a global acrylics colour. So I'm gonna put some of that in there. I'm really hope that this actually works well. And then the global colours turquoise. Oh, please make it work. I don't think, I have got some gold here, but I don't really think that is going to make it pop. I think I need a more purpley colour, I guess. I mixed this purple, well it was with phthalo blue, dark red and a little blob of black. So it's not quite my berry delicious colour. It looks awful at the moment and I'm really hoping that it doesn't look like this when I blow it out. I think I may again have done the background a bit too thick, the paint, but well, you know, I can work with it. I've got tricks that I can do with it that hopefully get it to work out. So I'll give it a bit of a blast with my heat wand, burst those air bubbles. Rightio. So let me try and blow some of it out first, I guess. Whoa. Whoa, that's a bit nice. I need to get rid of a bit of that in there. Oh, I actually love that dark blue in this. Wow. That's my puppy. I actually love those colours. Wow, 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 wow. Let me just trim off the bits here that's... I could blow that, I guess. I got some over there. Those colours, actually, I thought, oh, what are you thinking, Jilly? But that's actually quite beautiful. I've got to soften this all up with my balloon, because this actually helps take some of the paint off and create some nice softer effects, I believe. And I guess if somebody's buying my particular paintings, they look for my trademark balloon kissing paintings first. Still got a bit of a croaky voice in here, haven't I? Oh, I'm so pleased with that. I did not think... I was dreaming about these colours. Yes, I dream colour. And I thought, that's not going to work. But I have to do it because I was dreaming about them. And look at that. I know I'm taking a bit of the colour out with the balloon, but I hope that I'm doing the right thing. Because I think it's... I definitely think I've got too much paint on there, but it's not nothing I can't work with or I can't fix. So I want to bring some of that into there. Ooh, that's a bit thick there. I might have to just keep ballooning that till I get the colour out. That's my little puppy chewing on a nice big bone that I put down there to keep her happy while I'm painting. Oh, I really love that. I really love that. I am gonna just leave it to dry off a little bit, and I might just go in for a little bit more detail with, it's just a normal size balloon with a bit of water in it to give it a bit of weight. So usually if I let it dry off a bit, then I can come in and do a little bit more detail with this smaller balloon. Pick up some of the blue. I'd like a bit more of the blue. That's beautiful. That's it. That blue is the, I believe it's, you know, kind of saved the day with that, because it's really made the whole thing come together. I am just going to whiz it. Okay, I'm pretty happy with that. Very happy with that. It is beautiful. I'm just going to finish where I can see these sides that are not covered. I will definitely cover those with those sponge brushes a lot better than I'm doing finger popping here, which you can do, because it sort of, instead of giving it a smooth finish, it gives it a kind of textured finish. But absolutely loving that. What do you guys think? I think that's a winner winner chicken dinner. So like I said, I'm going to just let it, the paint absorb into the canvas and it dry off, and I just come maybe for 20 minutes and I only just do a few of those balloon kisses in the same area where I've kissed them. But I think that colour works together wonderfully, especially with that dark phthalo blue giving it the pop. So yeah, let me know what you think. Okie my lovelies, please take care. Join me again for more art inspiration tomorrow. Bye for now.